So I recently did the Akebono conversion on my G35 from the stock sliding pins. I did this instead of the Brembos because I found a good deal on Marketplace. For 500 bucks, I got all 4 calipers and the mounting brackets to put these on a 350Z/G35. And this is everything you need to do this to yours. You need all 4 of the calipers. You need the conversion brackets for the fronts. The rears just mount straight up. The calipers go straight onto a 350Z/G35. You need the rotors from a 370Z Sport or G37S. Not the Q50 or Q60 because apparently the parking brake size is different. I did lines with it. You need special conversion lines from wherever makes the conversion kits. I mean, I got mine off Z1. It was pretty easy to get them off there to figure out which ones I needed. The calipers have 2 bleeders each, so to bleed them, you gotta do, I bled the inside, outside, then the inside again, starting from furthest from the master cylinder, working my way closest. These brakes have a lot more spacing out, so I can no longer fit my big SSRs. You saw me rebuild those in this video. If you are interested in buying those, DM the Instagram, because they are for sale now. Nothing really wrong with them, they just don't fit. But when mounting these, you will have to cut the dust shields, unless you want to pull the wheel bearing and just remove them. I'd prefer to cut them, so I still have some dust shield. The front, you just had to do like 2 fingers worth of dust shield on the lower portion to make room for the lower bolt hole on this. Then the rears, the dust shield went like around the stock rotor, but these rotors are a lot bigger, so you just have to really cut off that lip around the dust shield, and then the rotor will just go straight on. These calipers, like I said, in the rear just fit straight on, no mounting conversion brackets required. Clearance wise, these are a lot bigger, so I'm running these wheels now instead, with a 1-inch spacer to get the fitment right. It fits pretty well now. The FTF kit giving it the camber. I'm going to be shaking these cars down at a drift event in less than 3 weeks, so I did this on my car, and then you'll see in an upcoming video we did pretty much the same conversion on Cooper's SC with the LS400 calipers. We just finished that yesterday. Pretty sweet. This shit should fit. Crazy. Spacers on the fronts. It was pretty sunken in on this car. 19 by 9 plus 40. 19 by 10 plus 19.
Does yours have a little key dance? Really? Really? No, why?
Alright, go for it, dude.
You just have no fucking lights.
There's literally nothing. Besides
Yeah.
see.
That looks pretty good.
Oh. I feel like I've been working on these. If that broke.
Yeah, it didn't beep. It didn't do a damn thing. It's probably still. It's still on.
Where'd it get to?
1,000.
Like I could just do that by.
No wonder it didn't beep.
What the hell?
Well, I mean, if there's one thing to break, I mean, that's the best
The
part
last
to break.
one, yeah. That's fucking weird.
You hit them with the impact.
They are tight.
Oh shit. They're tighter than anti.
They are tight.
Did y'all see what Esker sent to the fucking group chat earlier?
Dude.
How does this fit now?
Yeah. You take a picture of it?
Oh,
No, I'm taking a video. I'm showing my friends.
I'll take a video.
local find there.
Oh.
Hero.
Yeah.